guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. Today in this video I am going to show you, are you seeing crazy red number as you can see guys on app. In this video I will explain why this happened and show you how to fix it completely. Okay, this red circle with number are called notification badges guys. They show you how many unread alert available on that particular app. Okay, when you have a missed call, the phone app show it one. Okay, sometime even after opening the call log, the badge does not disappear because the missed call was not refreshed properly. The number on a folder is total of all notification badges inside the folder, as you can see guys in my screen. To disable this guys, you can follow this method. Open your phone settings on your iPhone, scroll down and find out notification. Okay, like this in the notification, and here you can get your all app notification. If you want to disable the notification badges for Gmail, open it and simply you need to disable the badges. That's it. Now close these settings. As you can see guys, the notification badges was disappear from my Gmail app. Same thing. So as you can see guys, the badges was also appearing in the WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. So just simply I will open now WhatsApp, open it, and simply you need to disable badges only. If you want to disable complete notification, you can also do it from here. So for now I want to disable only badges. Close this, and as you can see guys, view the WhatsApp, the notification badges is not showing up there. So this is the way to disable it and to remove it. So that's for today guys. If this video helped you out, so please hit the like, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction for more iPhone and tech tips. See you in the next one.